Hey guys, the new update of Minecraft is the Sprinkleize update. Added leaf litters, hanging roots, firefly bush, and the tall dry grass, dry grass that's part of the update, and brown and brown egg and blue egg. Even mobs and chickens like that have their own skin now. I get it because the only creeper has eyes. I get it now. And there's also a new feature. It's a new flower too. Cactus flowers now generate in the desert. Cactus are over 5 tall can generate cactus flowers. And now we have the pink petals. We wildflowers and we have also the leaf litters. That's the thing. Leaf litters can be crafted by yellow dye. That's only the thing. And there's hanging roots. And there's even a bush. Where's the bush? There is even now a bush. There's the bush. Bush are generated nearby swamps too, like the firefly bush. Like it. But not like firefly bush can light up when it's night and dark. The other spot can be light up this, like this area, but cannot light up this. And like the like this area, it can emit particles like a firefly now. And there's no chicken variants for the cold one and hot one. You have this called chicken variant. Yep, on the desert too. Because we have the blue and brown one. The normal one is here. And we have pigs too and cows. I forgot. This is the cold cold variant of cows. This is the cold variant of cows. Pigs have variants too. So here's the pig. It has variants now. This is the cold biome. This is the cold variant of a pig. That's a cow and that's a chicken. This is a cold variant of a chicken. So that's all. See you next time, guys.